I think the key to look at is there's a great amount of liquidity in the market, and great product means investors, and investors are looking to deploy capital. So yes, COVID is here, but we're moving perhaps from pandemic to endemic in the Malaysian context. We're looking to get everyone vaccinated as quickly as possible and return to growth.
Right. Well, wouldn't this impact in a meaningful way companies' plans about funding, about profitability, just their overall thinking on how to manage business right now?
There's probably two elements. The market is leading the real economy as it traditionally does. When you look at growth and capital, you have to prepare for the future. Now, clearly, the pandemic is providing an opportunity for companies to reassess and, if you like, build right. And because of the depth of the market at the moment, it is the perfect time to actually raise capital and prepare for the upswing, if you like, as we emerge from the pandemic.
I do want to understand, it's been a record year in terms of new listings, Omar, in the region through the month of June and July. Tell us more about the pipeline going forward from here in terms of what can we expect, as many see this as an IPO frenzy, so to speak, in Malaysia. Do you subscribe to that view?
Well, I think what you have is you come off a low base from the previous year. And so there's a process of catch-up because, of course, as you take an asset to market, the impact of the pandemic on your financials perhaps delayed your mindset of when you want to take that asset to market. And now what we're seeing is those assets coming to market as we emerge from the pandemic. Unfortunately, of course, we've moved into a lockdown again as we had a surge from the Delta variant, but that is now being addressed with targeted testing as well as the vaccination rollout. So as that happens, you'll see the market again return to the market for IPOs remain bullish. And clearly, if you look at the listing of CTOS Digital Berhad today, there is that pent-up demand for the liquidity that's in the market.
But the price action post-listing, I was reading reports, the swing has been anywhere between a positive 5% to a positive 150%. Does that worry you?
Well, I think there's that often used phrase, water will find its own level. And when we look at the market, we're very mindful of making sure it's fair and orderly, and we also like to see it as vibrant. And so you have the emergence of the retail sector, which we're very mindful of, as well as our traditional institutional sector. If you take a typical day, the retail sector can be up to 40% of the trading.